Hey, and welcome to Alpha One. So, I have now just had a live session trading binary option again. And do you know what? We start to get some more people in my live sessions, and I love it. So, if you want to be trading together with me when I trade live, and probably if you lost this session, it's because you did not push the subscribe button and you did not turn on the bell notification. So if you don't want to lose any live sessions I do in the future, make sure you do that right away. Also, you have the possibility to help me out. Yeah. Make sure you push a like on this video. You help me tremendously just by pushing this like button, because that will make so YouTube see that people like this video and make so more people see this type of content in the future. So make sure you push the like button, because more people I get into my live sessions, more fun it is for me to be trading. So make sure you do that. Now, we are now going to come to the results of the trading I have done today and also how I trade. So when you come into my live session, you are ready for it. Another thing you will need to do, of course, you need to use the same broker that I'm using. Below the video, you find a link to this broker. You can just start with a demo account, of course. You automatically, with my link, will get a demo account. When you open without using my link, you actually do not get a demo account. You need to deposit money first. So it's good to use my link, because then you get a free demo account. Also, you find below the video, you find a promo code that gives you 200% on your first deposit. So if you decide to go in with real money, make sure you use the promo code that you have below the video. Now I will explain a little how I'm trading, and also I will show you the results of the trading we did today. So let's show the results first. So you can see here now, 28, that is today. So we did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 trades today. Out of 7 trades, we got 5 winners. That is a quite decent win rate in my book. Today, as you can see, we started to trade a little more on regular pairs. The reason for that is, if I keep to OTC pairs, that can work, but can also not work. The reason for that is, if, like today, we started to get quite a lot of people into the live session, and if we control the market, we will lose every single trade on the OTC. Okay, so we got away with trading on OTC for a long time, but now as we start to have a little more people in my live sessions, we take regular pairs, because regular pairs is not controlled by the people. Then we are in the bigger scale that we are just a small tiny fish, so we will never regulate the market. Okay. It's regulated by the people, of course, but in a huge level that we will never get to. But on the OTC, it's basically the same like a regular, but on the broker basis. And on the broker basis, when we start to have enough people, we will control the market, at least on the small scale. So that's why we are moving away from OTC now, because we start to have so many people on my live session. So as you can see, after that we got a big win rate. We lost this one, I think maybe because we were too many people live, but we won almost every single trade after. So our profit in the session today got to 172, but not only that. As you see with the green button up here, every time I'm trading, I get some cash back, okay? So we can push here now, this green thing here will be added to our balance here. So see now, I push here, and we made more $16. So if you add $16 on my current balance, we are at $188 profit from the live session we did today. I find that quite good. Okay, now to how I trade. Basically, the way I trade, I find specific areas where we have support and resistance. Like for example here, you can clearly see when they come up here, we get a refusement. Let's remove the other line here now. So then I would say like this, I would tell the number where we have the red line, and when your bar come up to that red line, we basically take just a 1 minute trade down. Here basically use max 2% of your balance, like I have explained it before in my live sessions. The reason I only do like 100, 200, 200 trades from a so big balance is because I also get emotional. And if I start to trade with more than $1,000, that breaks my emotional limit, and I might do mistakes, especially when I'm trading live, when I have many people looking my trades. And trust me, it's not that easy when you have many people looking every single move you do, and you have your credibility as a trader to do good in your live sessions like you see I'm doing, because I trade live. I'm not like these other YouTubers that are recording videos and they can edit and make so it looks like they're winning. I trade live. I can't do that. I need my credibility as a trader to show that my trading is good. So I figure out, for me, I trade without emotions with $100 and $200 trades. So that's why I trade on these limits, okay? And also for a button here, for example, if we have come down to this down here, I will have taken a up trade, okay? So that is basically the way I am trading. Do I have 100% win rate? No, I do not. And if anyone come and tell you that they have 100% win rate, that is just garbage. My win rate, I will say, is between 70 and 80%. And that is not something I just come up with, that is based on my live. I've been trading live now every single day, not Sundays, but basically every other single day for 1.5 years. And that is the win rate I have done live. I don't count about what I'm trading outside of live. I'm counting only on what I have proven I can do on a live session. So my win rate is basically 7 and 8 wins out of 10 trades. Okay, so that is what you can expect if you start to come to my live stream and trade together with me. That is when you start to get a hang of it. That is what you also can expect. So yes, can you make money online trading binary option? Yes, you can. But what I will say, 95% of people that start trading binary option and Forex, not following me, just trying to jump into it and do it themselves, basically just 5% will manage to do it. The rest will lose money. I'm sorry for that, but that is the truth. So take your time in my live sessions, maybe trade with a demo account in the start, then maybe you go, and if you go with the real, don't go with maybe 2% of your balance in the start, just maybe use that smallest $1 to get the hang of it. And after you have done all these steps, then you can see what you will do. And also never think about quitting your job for this. Trust me, when I did, it was super hard to start because you put so much pressure on yourself. So that only when you start to do super good, you can think about something like that, okay? So I think that's enough for this recap video for today. I hope I see you in my live session tomorrow. I will post my live session very soon on my channel, and you can then put so you get a notification when I go live. So once again, make sure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification, because then you never lose a live session from me again. Okay? So with that, have an amazing day, and I hope I see you tomorrow.